there, welcome back. How you doing? I've been doing great in the last few days. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, and I have had over this last weekend and this week just doing a lot of little things around the house. My friends came over and helped me with some honeydew jobs. They're my honeys, and we golly, what did we do? Well, there's a video on it, so you can check out that video of John and Bill helping me do a bunch of little things, and then that just led to me being inspired and motivated to do some more things, like get some things hung up on the wall, my skin drums that I make, and just a coat hook over there to hang my coat up when I come in the front door, now that it's getting to be sweater weather, and just some other random things. I've actually unpacked and broken down 3 more boxes out of the storage room, which is huge for me because I'm just trying to get that room emptied out. So, but of course, I empty out some boxes and do some things, and then Amazon. My wonderful UPS man shows up at the front door with Amazon for me. So I thought Amazon unboxing is always fun. It's almost Black Friday. Maybe some of this will inspire you. Of course, this won't be edited and up before Black Friday, but you know, I'll do my best. Let's see. Maybe some of this will be something would inspire. It's not sponsored. It's not affiliated. And I tried to quit shopping on Amazon a while ago, but I live in the middle of nowhere, and it takes you an hour to get. It's almost not the middle of nowhere, but we don't have a lot of shopping options. Let's just say that. I kind of had to succumb to the Jeff Bezos siren call. All right, I don't even remember. I had like 3 weeks. I was trying really hard not to order anything online, and I would just go on Amazon and put things in my cart. And then there was 1 or 2 things that I'm like, oh, I really do need those things. So I took a few of the things. That's what I do. I put them in my cart, and then I let them sit there, and then I decide before I hit buy, if I really, really want those things. So let's see what I really needed and what I just thought I needed. Okay. This first item, I might have to do a video on installing it. This item is a little, what do they call it? Wireless driveway alarm sensor. And the sensor goes on the front of the house, which I think is this part. It's battery operated. I didn't check to see if it comes with battery. I guess I'll have to check that out. Mounts on the front of the house somehow or other. I got this one because I can aim it different directions, because I don't want cars and people on the sidewalk setting it off. But if someone comes in my front gate from my front door, I want to know. So then there's a chime that plugs in inside the house, and the chime rings. I think it's a good thing for security. It's a good thing. I don't have a doorbell, but also I'll be able to know, mainly for security, if somebody is coming in. And I think you can add additional sensors to this. So I could, in theory, put one on my backyard, back gate area. I have a feeling the squirrels would end up setting that up. Would you like to hold that for me, Lilith? No? Okay, we'll put it on the floor. All right, this is an impulse buy that some YouTuber had that I thought, oh, that looks like fun. But it also might be a really cool gift idea. So, I don't know if I can, yeah, I treat my fingernails so terribly. Anyway, I'm not going to open it. It is a USB arc lighter. So it's rechargeable USB, and it's like for lighting candles. I'm always losing, well, I'll probably lose this too. Maybe now that I've spent some money on something nice. See, I don't think it comes partially charged. Let's find out. I don't even know how it actually works, because I don't. Oh, it's like a little mini taser. Look at that. And then what do you do? Oh, where's the candle? Excuse me, again. I did have a candle in here that some YouTuber had, not in here, but in my basket that I wanted to order, and then I chose not to. Oh, that's so cool. Look at that. Look at that. And then that just slides in. Oh, I'm happy. Okay, I don't want to let you on fire, kitten. Can you not be right there? Thank you. And it's finally time for that candle. It is a, it's like balsam fir or something. It smells like Christmas, and I love it. So that's cool. If I can not lose this thing, it's pretty cool. This is one of the things I needed, so this is one of the things I went to. I have been looking all over near here. I haven't gone up, like I said, I haven't taken a long drive over to like a Home Depot or anything. But I have some aloe plants, an aloe plant, a mama aloe plant that's got like 6 or 7 babies. She needs to be repotted, and her babies need to be repotted. And I got pots and everything, but I couldn't find any potting soil specifically for cactuses. Cacti? Yeah, whatever. So I have some now. That's something I'm going to do. I don't know what this is in the box. Change how you experience light. What is this? Oh, this. Okay. This is cool. Oh, do they all plug into the same one? That's a pain in the butt. Maybe I think. Okay. Not what I expected at all. I thought they were individual. Okay. That's kind of disappointing. All right. What they are, they're little spotlights that maybe there's some, I mean, they have screw holes, but I want one for on top of my china hutch to shine up at my painting that's up there. Kitten, get out of that flower pot. Plant pot, please. Kitten, what are you doing? What's in there? What's in there? Get out of there. Tasia. But I got the pack of 4. Oh, they do have little double sticky discs, so I can stick it up there. I got the pack of 4 because I thought, oh, I could use one there, and I could use one maybe up on my mantle or something. Shining, all the electricity there might be. But I did not realize that they only come with one controller that all 6 plug into. Which if I did it for a gallery wall or for a cabinet or, curio cabinet or something, would be groovy. But it's not so groovy when I want one over there and I want one in the hallway. So, I don't remember that being mentioned at all in the description or in the reviews. All right, what's the last thing in this box? Oh, another, I don't know what this. So this thing, this is one of those things that, your great aunt or your grandma or somebody would put in give you for Christmas. You'd be like, what the hell, grandma? What are you thinking? Or someone like me would put in your stocking. But there's no real good pictures. Basically what this thing is, and I might have to, if it works, I'll do a video on it if you want me to. It's a heatless hair curling system. So you take this part and you clip it up here with this, clip, which is stuck on here. And then you wrap your hair around, I thought it had wire in it. It does not have wire in it. You wrap your damp hair around this, and then you tie it off with the scrunchies at the bottom. Now that I see this thing, I know I say this way too much, but I could make that. I don't remember what I paid for it. Hopefully not very much. My hair's gotten to the length again now that I think I could use, I would have enough hair to use this. And I don't get dolled up very often, but it might be fun. It might be a fun thing to do. So, and yeah, I don't know. If you've tried one of those, let me know. Then I got the big box, which I think is just one item. Well, it's a set of one item. Yeah, it's actually 2 sets of what I ordered, which I ordered 2 sets. So there you go. Okay, I actually already have 2 sets of these, and I needed 2 more. So it's not a very exciting thing, but in my sewing room, and they used to be, before I moved, in my living-ish room, I have those IKEA cubes. I should fact check myself and Google what name they are, but they're the ones the cube shelves. There's 2 rows of 4. There's 8 cubes in there. And in one set, I have these baskets. And when I had them in my living room, I had half of them with the baskets and the other half open because I had my crystal and metal, my singing bowls in them. And I don't any longer. I don't actually have them out on display, which I would like to, but I don't want those IKEA shelves out here. So I don't know if I need more storage or I just want better looking. I want my 2 sets of shelves in there, cube shelves, to be uniform. So I just ordered 8 more of these. And so not very exciting, but it'll be fun to organize. And then maybe I will make some labels, either embroidered labels that I can kind of, put here, or some kind of tags with my Cricut or something that I can hang from it. So I know what's in the bins, because I already have 8 of these in there, and every time I know what's in them, I just don't know which one's which, because I haven't, so I'm like, I want my watercolor supplies, and then I have to open each one until I find the one with watercolor supplies. So that's what I got from Amazon today. Now, I don't know, this old thing that I'm wearing, it's not actually an old thing. It's only about an hour old. I made this today. So I'll give you a little fashion show, but I gotta find a spot where you can see me. And there's really horrible lighting in here, so we're gonna do our best. This dress, what do you think? It's knit, it has pockets, it's probably really hard to see in here, I apologize. It has a high-low, a little bit of a slight high-low hemline. I'm not usually a fan of that, but I think in this case it looks kind of cool. I do like the style lines, which are mimicked in the back. It obviously sews together really quick because I went from paper pattern, printed, however 39 pages, to finished garment in one day. It all went together with my serger. I had like 1 or 2 little things. I reinforced the pocket bags with my straight stitch machine, just because they're pockets and what have you. But another piece of stash fabric successfully converted into a wearable garment that I'm wearing tonight. I'm taking some friends out for dinner. The friends that helped me do all my honeydew jobs the other day. That's how I'm going to pay them. Isn't this a beautiful little scarf? I'll show you this. I did not make this scarf, but it is hand dyed. It's a silk velvet, and there are little pin tucks on here, and I bought it. Had I had my first daughter yet? If I did, she was very little, so it maybe would have been somewhere between 25 and 30 years ago. I bought this at a winter, it wasn't like a craft sale or an art show, it was an organization near where I lived at the time, had a fashion show every holiday season, and then the artists who were featured in the fashion show would also have items that they would sell. So this is one of those items. And I think I also took a class from the gal who did this, but I've just always, and I never wear it, and this is the second time since moving to Selma that I have worn it. I think it looks really good with this dress, because I am not one for large statement necklaces. It's just not, I put one on. I actually have a couple in my collection, I put it on and it just seemed really jangly, and I knew when I was eating and leaning leaning forward, it would hit the table. It's going to bug me. But a beautiful silk scarf, that's my jam. So that's what I did today. I made a dress and I unboxed some stuff from Amazon. And now I'm going to go out and take my friends out for dinner. And then, after eating a delicious turkey dinner tomorrow at said friend's sister's house, Friday or Saturday, gonna come home here and edit a bunch of videos so you guys will have something to watch while you're watching football, whatever people that, and I will give you a grand tour of the finished parlor, but I guess you got a little sneak peek today. Lucky you! Have a good one.